Good afternoon, world, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. I'm Eccentrics. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you smash that subscribe button for new content that's coming out every single day. That's right, every single day. Smash that subscribe button. Join my channel. We have lots of new things happening. Today is Makeover Mondays. Tuesday is Twisted Tuesdays. Wicked Wednesdays, Thoughtful Thursdays, Fierce Fridays, and Saturday and Sunday, we have Sassy Secrets, Saturday and Sunday, so make sure that you tune in. So if you haven't watched my previous video today on Family Day and my horrendous hair and my mop of hair as I described it, I went to see my personal stylist today. So as not to reveal her identity, we will just call her Eccentrice. Doesn't that have a nice ring to it? Eccentrice. So she actually highlighted my hair. She did my base color. She gave me some lowlights as well. She razored it. She gave me a beautiful fade in the back, if everybody can see that, how it goes from the back fade up. So she did an amazing job. Thank you so much. I really needed that. It was a great pick-me-up. And thank you, and I truly appreciate it as well. So, Makeover Mondays is all about me today, and since I didn't have a model, I used myself as a model and got my hair done, and now we actually have the daytime look. Now this daytime look, ladies and girls and men that you are watching, is so simple. You can do it under 5 to 6 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, just depending. So it's not going to take a lot of time. Great for women in the workplace, great for young girls going to school, and it's so easy. So I'm using luxury brand products and some mass cosmetic products today to show you how to apply this look. Very simple, very easy to do. I've already applied my eye cream, washed my face, applied my repair serum and my moisturizer as well to prep my skin before my makeup application. So when we're talking about makeup, I get so passionate about it, I get so excited, I'm just like, woo! So excited. You know, it's great to enhance people's eye color, it's great to enhance, you know, your overall feeling of love and feeling of, you know, you're looking good in the world, and makeup can do so much for a woman's self-confidence and for a woman's self-esteem as well, and a man's self-esteem. So not to disregard men out there, but we will be doing men's makeup as well. So you don't want to miss that, and you want to tune in. So let's get started so you can know how to do this exactly, because my retention span is very low. I hate long YouTube videos. I can't watch them because people are just talking too much and they're not telling me what I want to know. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to complete this beautiful daytime look. All right, first of all, we used Light Bisque Concealer from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. Now you can use your own concealer of your choice. I used this one here in Light Bisque. I actually used it as a creamy concealer-based product. I actually patted it all around my eyes after my eye cream, up into the corner where the blue greenish vein is, and around. I came down onto my cheek area to reduce redness as well, around the chin, on the upper lip, and down the bridge of the nose. After that, I used my Bobbi Brown Weightless Powder Foundation in Beige 3. Very simple to apply. Now, if you're using a liquid foundation, you would apply it with a foundation brush, as we discussed in a previous video. I actually use a sponge to apply powder. It's just easier. So down the bridge of the nose, patting around the eye area, forehead, and coming down like this. Now, it's very important, ladies, to make sure that you come down onto the neck area. So ladies, I've seen so much of this in cosmetics. It's just unbelievable. You've seen it walking on the street, all these women, and they have this massive line, foundation line happening here. And you're thinking to yourself, did you look in the mirror? Did you actually look in the mirror before you left your house? Because you look ridiculous. You do not look like you applied your foundation correctly. It's not blending into your neck. You have the wrong color choice. it's not matching. What are you doing? So make sure that you go to a fine department store or a Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada and get foundation matched. It will save your life, and it will make people from making fun of you too. So this is a great weightless powder foundation from Bobbi Brown. So after applying that, and when I say face and neck, a lot of women forget that their face is attached to their neck. Let me repeat that phrase. A lot of women forget that their neck's attached to their face. Oh my gosh, sometimes I just don't know. I really just don't know. So, you know, if you forget that your neck's attached to your face, maybe go see a shrink or something like that, because, you know, there may just be no help for you. I don't know. Anyways, after that, we actually used the Clarins Silver Pink 05, and this is a cream to powder shadow. And what we did was we just took, this is the Christian Dior shadow brush, but you can use any brush of your choice as long as it's flat. And we actually just placed it like so onto the lid, the mobile lid, and I actually took it all the way up like so. So I'm actually just applying it over top so you guys can see how easy it is to apply. It just gives a pop of color. Before we used that, we actually used a primer for the skin. And this is La Base Pro from Lancome. I'm putting it just on my hand here so you can actually see. And you can put this on prior to your eyeshadow. So you have an adhesion of your eyeshadow going on to the La Base Pro. So what that means is that you prevent creasing off your eyeshadow, you prevent flaking of the eyeshadow, and you have a much smoother application as well. This product can be found from Lancome Canada or Lancome.com, and also you can find it in your mass cosmetic department at your local Walgreens in the United States, or in Canada at your local Shoppers Drug Mart or Lawton's as well. So a lot of people have been saying, well, you've eccentrics, you're always talking about luxury products. Do you not use mass brand cosmetics like CoverGirl, Rimmel London, you know, L'Oreal Cosmetics, Maybelline Cosmetics, Essie Cosmetics, NYX Cosmetics? I actually do. I have so many cosmetics. I just happen to be talking about luxury products today. So this makeup look, like I said, is under 7 minutes, but it's taking a little more than 7 minutes because I'm talking. So after that, we actually used the Lancome mascara. Now you can actually use the voluminous L'Oreal mascara as well. I would use the Blackest Black from L'Oreal. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama, one of the top selling ones in the world, to get beautiful luscious lashes, double the impact, and double the exposure. After we applied the mascara, we actually took the Christian Dior blush. You can use a CoverGirl blush, you can use a Maybelline blush, or any blush of your choice, ladies and girls. So we use this one here, we use a MAC blush brush, and we applied it simply like here on the pillow or the apple of the cheek. Just like this, and we tapered it up. Now ladies, please note, if you look like you fell into your blush, got stuck, and rolled around, that is not good. Your blush should start right here and end right here. It should not start from here, from the outer eye area, and go all the way down to the jawline. You look like you fell into your blush, got stuck, rolled around, couldn't get out. So you end up looking like Mimi from the Drew Carey Show. And if you've ever seen Mimi, her makeup is horrible. So, very simple, little X marks on the pillow of the cheek, and then just taper up. Then what we did was we actually used a Rimmel London lip liner. And we colored in the lips, we lined them, colored them all in for adhesion of the lip gloss. And you can apply any lip gloss that you choose, ladies. Now this is just like a rich light brown color for a day look. However, you can use a sheer pink, you can use whatever color that helps to enhance your overall look. So I find that this color helps to bring out my blue eyes, and you know, another color like a mauve color or anything like that for a lip gloss. I'm going to be using Peach today from Rimmel London, but anything like that. So coloring in and lining the entire lip area. Now, why would you line the entire lip area, you may be thinking? Well, that's an excellent question. So back in the 90s, they used to just line here and around, and then they would actually put their lipstick on, and then there'd be no adhesion of color. So basically by 3 or 4 hours later, you'd have a ring around your mouth like this. And anybody who is between the ages of 18 and say 65, you know what I'm talking about. 1991 to 1995, it was not a good look. Not a good look at all. And it looked like you were up to no good. It looked like you were doing something dirty. I don't need to explain. So we applied that, colored it all in, and then we finished the look with Rimmel London's lip gloss in peach. And I applied that to the lips, like so. And voila, simple makeup, simple daytime look. Hair is highlighted, mascara is on. The only thing that we're missing is if you wanted to, you could do a highlighting color up through here, but we'll be talking about highlighting colors when, and I say when, because I'm super excited about this, we are going to be reviewing my favorite beauty influencer. That's right, so you do not want to miss this. Stay tuned. The product is on its way. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. That's right, Jeffree Star Cosmetics is coming here to Excentrix. Don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining. My name's Excentrix. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me today for the unveiling of my new hair color, my back fade, and this beautiful daytime look. Simple and under 7 minutes if I wasn't talking about the application of it. Thanks for joining me, and tick-tock, time's a-ticking, so make sure you apply that makeup, ladies and girls, and make sure you apply it right. Cheers, everyone.